Welcome back. Well, if you're looking for competition, you want the science behind the competitive parts, and I'm here with Patrick. Patrick, I tell you what, that's what you guys are all about. A lot of smart guys applying that technology, and you really have come up with a concept that's going to give people that edge. Tell us a little bit about your company.
Absolutely. Well, we began in 2004 developing gearing products, and a lot of people actually asked us what the M in MFactory stands for, and it actually stands for momentum. Now, something that is really difficult to build in terms of having a sport compact, because we've been the butt end of jokes for a lot of domestic guys for a long time. So our motto actually is the replacement for displacement.
That is awesome, and exactly that's what you do too. You've made things better.
You know, it's no secret these days that power is easy to get out of normally aspirated four-cylinder to like these crazy 1,000 horsepower street front-wheel drive vehicles. So we've had to basically create a lot of the transmission components that would survive these competitive environments.
And there is a lot of horsepower there. They undergo quite a bit of stress, is that right?
Absolutely. So what we've actually done, we're really proud of our product because all of our products are forged offerings. You know, a lot of people have the misconception that billet is the way to go, which actually is not the case. Forging is up to 30% stronger because it has a predictable grain flow.
And so if you have a stronger product, it's going to last longer and it's going to be able to take those high torques.
Yes, absolutely. Since a lot of the guys out there in the beginning, since they started turbocharging their Hondas, they've been exploding transmissions endlessly. So now we actually aim to keep the racers on the track, and that keeps everybody happy, actually.
That's really an all too familiar problem. We're developing the horsepower, transferring it to the ground. In between, it, as you mentioned, takes the damage.
We've noticed with other things too, with axles snapping and stuff like that. We actually released our latest offering right now, which is also a forged 4340 axle with forged inners and outers, which will assist in basically keeping things together. One of the main features of that product is a rifle-honed center, which is up to 30% lighter, and it also has a 6-bearing CV joint to ensure the power is all transferred efficiently.
So lighter, stronger, and it is going to be more efficient.
Absolutely. That is the main thing of reducing all drivetrain losses as much as possible, because with a sport compact, we basically have to pay for every horsepower.
Now, you have a number of different products that you offer, is that correct?
Yes, absolutely. One of the first things that were our bread and butter product is the final drive here. And this is also a forged piece, and it's withstood up to 1,000 wheel horsepower, actually. So we've been able to be extremely competitive in the market, where in the beginning, Honda actually had a optional 4.785, but a lot of people found that it was inadequate because as they upped the power, they started shredding the teeth off the ring and pinion.
So what you have here is going to be a superior product, ensuring that power gets to the ground without the damage that you mentioned.
We also managed to lighten it up a little bit here with a bunch of holes. These actually go to, again, reducing a lot of the frictional losses in the drivetrain.
And what else do we have down here that's component-wise?
For the guys who are able to maximize the rules, or actually take advantage of the rules in a lot of the drag racing series, we offer this Pro Synchro gear set. Now, it still uses synchro engagement, however, it is a straight cut teeth design, and that is also designed to minimize drivetrain losses.
Now, who are all the smart guys behind this that says, you know, this is really the direction we need to take?
That would be Steven. He's the man in charge, and we actually go through a lot of discussion which product to release first. However, we must pay absolute respect to the people who have been testing for us. Drivers like Lisa Kubo, people who have been developing in the industry for us, also Chad Barber, who built this beautiful car for us here, and people who do more than just racing in a straight line, Brian Kono and Raynan Bayer.
They're really where the rubber meets the road, no pun intended.
Absolutely. Without them, we certainly would not have the feedback necessary to do any of this research and development.
Well, with all of that said, right now I know you have to have the attention of all of our viewers. What's the best way for them to learn more about MFactory?
Possibly the best thing that you can do is just go to our website, which is www.teammfactory.com. And right there you can read up all about our new products, the upcoming products, and any updates that our racers are having, and any successes especially.
The M stands for momentum, and you have plenty of that. I tell you what, pleasure having you on. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.